Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a road test now with the Britannia Composites Lynx R fairing. Some of you have maybe already seen my install video of putting this on, so now this is the aftermath. The real benefits that I like about this fairing is that it really helps with the headwinds. As I stated before in other videos that, this is not a 100% fix, but I would say that this is at least a 70% fix for those headwinds. It just makes the riding more enjoyable. The other thing that you're going to gain is this nice dash space. So now you can have your phone. I've also have 2 more USBs in addition to the one that I already have. I've also got an ambient temperature gauge, which it says right now it's 44 degrees outside. Then on top of things, you're going to also be upgrading your lighting. Now I did a lighting comparison with the stock housing with an LED bulb in it versus this one. So if you want to check out that, the link is down below in the description for you. So we're going to be hopping on the freeway here first. I'm going to pull over real quick here at the shell. I'm going to raise up this windscreen. Now I know Adam, he's the one that got me into this fairing. He can do this while riding, but it's super simple. You just unscrew these little wing nuts and we can slide this all the way up and lock it down. Just as easy as that. And now we have a full windscreen going up. The other thing that we did in the install at the same time, because it made sense for wiring, is now I've got heated grips. And I currently have them at 100% right now, and I'm wearing motocross gloves, and my hands are kind of burning up, to be realistic. I'm going to actually turn this down a notch, make it 75%. My hands really are hot. Let's hop on the freeway and let's see how this fairing does. All right, 66 miles per hour, 69, 71, 73, woo, 75. I can already tell you that right now that this is already blocking a significant amount of headwinds. And now I'm back to 60 miles an hour, which is plenty fast enough for a WR, but I can feel that the wind is hitting me a little bit in the shoulders, a little bit on the head. It is a little windy today, but again, like I said before, that this is not a 100% fix. I would say a 70% fix, and it just makes it more enjoyable. That's really what it's all about with our dual sports, is having fun, having your bike enjoyable where you want to ride it all the time. Heated grips. Woo-wee, my hands are still burning up. I got it at 75%. And my hands are hot, like seriously hot. Even with it being 46 degrees out, the top of the hands aren't too bad because the heat travels up. But I gotta say, if you guys are into the adventure moto and you ride in like cooler areas, heated grips. I wish I did this a long time ago, and really appreciate Adam hooking me up with these. This just makes it even more enjoyable. Okay, so that was the freeway test. And let's see, I should be able to just reach here. And now we can drop the windscreen down. So let's just say now we hit our dirt trail. You're doing some dual sporting, and now you're on the dirt trail. You can easily just lower your windscreen since we're not going to be having the high speeds. And now we're back to like a trail bike. Okay, so now we're doing about 49 miles an hour, call it 50. I can feel a little bit of the wind, but even with the windscreen down, it's still offering a little bit of like a blanket of protection from the headwinds. Still feels pretty good compared to like when I had my stock cowling on. I'd still kind of feel blasted right in my chest. But I definitely highly suggest, if you've got a WR250 or even a dirt bike of one of these sorts and you're really looking to get into adventure moto, be able to hop on freeways or highways, do higher speeds, want to have dash space, you ride at night, things like that, I really suggest one of these Britannia Composites Lynx R fairings. I'd like to give a big special thank you to Daryl. He's one of my longtime subscribers here on YouTube, and he's helping me out with the chase car in front. He's got a GoPro filming the reverse of capturing the wide shot of me. So thank you, Daryl, for taking the time on your day off to help a brother out. big special thank you to Adam for these heated grips and everything you do for me, man, with the install. I absolutely love this fairing. This is so cool. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or like to know more, feel free to ask away in the comments. And I will see you guys on the next video. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Cheers, mates.